Hi, artists. If you don't feel confident that your art is good enough to sell, you need to get your hands on some courses, workshops, or instructional art books. Okay, here are the differences between courses, workshop, and instructional art books. Courses are well structured, giving you the fundamentals about a specific topic. You get in depth in classes learning a particular subject. Courses are perfect for creatives that learn best in most instructional settings. Workshops are more loosely based. These classes are best for aspiring artists who have some time creating already and have developed style, but you just need some support and ways to improve your skills. And instructional art books is different. You're basically learning on your own. You don't have a camaraderie of artists working with you, and you don't have an instructor to help you out. But it's a good way if you like to work in solitude. Now, my favorite way is definitely the workshop as well as the instructional books. Now, tell me in the comments which one is your favorite way.